All right, guys, listen up. 03 to 06 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. If your AC is blowing cold on the passenger side, but on the driver's side, it's blowing hot. Now that's something my 05 GMC Sierra did, my 04.5, my first LLY did, and now this LLY is doing the same thing. With my previous trucks, if that happened, all I had to do was turn the truck off, let it reset, and then turn the truck back on, and then it would start blowing cold air again. However, with this truck, it worked the first few times, and then now it's just hot air on that side. If you live in Georgia, AC is very important. So, as this is my daily driver right now, I need AC. So, I ordered a blend door actuator, and we're going to replace it today. So we finally get some cold AC back in this truck. Although I've been driving with the windows down for the last couple weeks, and just hearing the turbo spool is amazing. 7mm. Oh, there's two and it drops down. There you go. There might have been a third one, but... And this is just for my Boostautoparts, so please don't mind this wiring right here. Here's the blend door. Just unplug it. See how, there you go. Here is the old one, and this is a new one that's about to go in. All right, now we are done. Yes, we finally have. Oh my gosh, how I missed this AC. Oh my gosh, it's the little things in life that you appreciate. Gosh, this stupid AC is now working, and the fact that now this truck is blowing cold air, it makes you like really appreciate. As you guys know, I have my 2020 LLY Duramax. I've been using this as my daily because it's just more practical and it gets a slightly better fuel mileage than that truck. I've been focusing on taking that truck to shows, so it has been getting some work done, so I really haven't been able to drive it as much as this truck. But the thing is, that truck is so new with all the new technology, remote start, cooled seats, cold air, cold AC. So I got so spoiled with that truck, and not having AC in this truck definitely sucked. But now we have cold AC. And I was actually a little bit scared that I may have to put Freon, because I thought maybe it was just more than the blend door actuator. I thought maybe just my AC just didn't work at all, but AC is cold. I don't know if I need to top it off with Freon. Let me know in the comments below, because I'm really not sure. Like, I'm not a mechanic by any means. We're fixing things little by little because I want this truck to be pretty much as perfect as it's gonna get for somebody who wins this truck, because I really don't want them to win this truck and have any issues. So I'm fixing things little by little, so make sure to stay tuned, because I will be replacing all the front end stuff. Ball joints, the lower ball joints are still the factory ball joints as far as I know. And the upper ball joints are Cognito, but I'm not a huge fan of the Cognito ball joints. I'm gonna go ahead and just replace them with the Kryptonite ones. And while we do that, we're gonna be replacing the bushings on the lower control arm. So Everything is going to be pretty much like brand new, so whoever wins this truck, you won't even have to worry. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, because we are giving this truck away. The giveaway goes live at 100,000 subscribers. I've already contacted the sweepstakes agency, and we have paperwork in order to give this truck away. I don't want to officially launch it until we hit 100,000 subscribers. So the quicker you guys help me get there, the quicker one of you will be taking this truck home. But meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and fix everything up on this truck, so that way whoever wins this truck will be even happier then. And not that I'll know what I'm looking at, but let's go ahead and open up the blend door actuator and see why it wasn't working. Okay, so this is what blend door actuator looks like. We got gears and like a little motor right there. So I do know this is the part that gets attached to the truck. And I guess this activates. So this motor activates the window to open and close. So something with the board or this motor went wrong. So, okay. I thought maybe there might be a physical evidence of why it's not working, but this is a little bit above my pay grade. Alright guys, we replaced the blend door actuator, which fixed the issue that I was having with this truck, blowing hot air on the driver's side, blew cold air on the passenger side. So after replacing the blend door actuator, now it's blowing cold air on both sides. It's not super cold, it's cool. And I don't know the last time that the AC was charged. You probably need some Freon. So we went to Walmart, got some Freon. Now we're gonna charge the system. And now, hopefully, I'll have cold AC. But I got really spoiled by having my 2020 Duramax. That's why for the longest time my 2020 was my daily driver, even though I intended this truck being my daily driver. All right, Mr. Oviedo.
We're ready to start charging it.
All right. We're in the Shop de Oviedo.
Yes.
We're Shop de Oviedo. How do you say garage?
That sounds good. Shop, garage, garaje.
Garaje? You want to say garaje or shop?
It spells the same, but just pronunciation.
Garaje de Oviedo.
Garaje de Oviedo. I like that.
Or we can be the elitist innovations. The most elite innovations.
Elitist. It's not this one? Where is the charging thing? There it goes.
You sure that's the one?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm trusting Donnie because I've actually never charged an AC system.
Start the truck and turn the AC on.
Alright. Donnie was a mechanic for Honda, so I trust him. Is that what you did at Honda too?
I did a little bit of everything.
Yeah? You guys charged AC systems there?
Yes, I used to install AC systems on cars that didn't have them. On base model vehicles, I used to install them. Mainly Honda Civics. I don't know why this needle is moving side to side so much. See it? Yeah.
It's reading right now, huh?
It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to just stay steady.
Oh.
But you can hear the pressure. You can hear the compressor kicks on and off too fast.
Yeah? You think something's wrong with the compressor?
Let's see.
Yeah, it's still cool, but not cold. But it very well could be a compressor. I mean, I don't know. This AC compressor is probably original. That's like one of the pros and cons of buying a used vehicle, especially like an older one like this, like a 15-year-old truck. It's just, you got to prepare yourself to replace whatever on an older vehicle. And with this truck, as much as this was a really good find at the time, I've had to replace a lot of things on this truck, and I'm just glad that I had a secondary vehicle. It's a little colder, just a little bit, a little colder. Oh yeah, it is cooler. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's getting cold. Oh, now we're reading.
We're reading and we are almost at 40, we're in between. So I'm just gonna go a little bit more. This is cold.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
All right. Yeah, I mean, I've really had to replace a lot of the things, a lot of, I would say maintenance, but also just wearable parts, and just and a lot of the common issues that you would have on these trucks, such as like the transmission line leaking and stuff like that. I had to replace, and I had to put a whole new transmission line. And while I was doing that, I upgraded to fleece. All good? Turn it off.
We are almost full.
Okay.
So we're just gonna leave it right there.
All right.
How does it feel inside?
Huh?
How does it feel inside?
Feels good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that feels good. Yeah, now that is cold AC. And now I have it back on the driver's side too. Feel it? That's not bad.
The dealer charges $180 to charge, so
Yeah?
I'll charge you $120.
Thank you. I'll trade you for that turbo.
Good, this feels good.
All right.
Yeah. Awesome.
My back's been sweating so much. Oh yeah.
Awesome.
We're good.
And this is almost full, empty, so.
Empty. All right. Trash.
Yeah, I think so.
That was 36 bucks at Walmart. So for 36 bucks, this was well worth it. And now we have AC. Slowly fixing everything that needs to be fixed on this truck before we give it away. Slowly replacing and upgrading everything that needs to be and should be upgraded on these trucks. And over the years, I've had this truck for about 2 years, and over the years I've replaced a lot and upgraded a lot. So yeah, if you're planning on winning this truck, go check out the playlist of this truck, the whole build list. You'll see everything and anything that was worked on this truck, everything I took pride in, and I'm still like halfway done. There's so much more I want to do before I can give it away to you guys. And luckily, I have 10,000 more subscribers to go before this giveaway goes live. So please, please, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, and please share the channel with your friends and family who would be interested in winning this truck, or if they're just interested in truck content. Ideally, I would like to launch this giveaway by the end of the year, before Christmas. So please make this happen. I believe in you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and smash the thumbs up button for good luck. I'll see you guys next time with more LLY upgrades and modifications. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. We got new headlights.